Hey ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. As always, it is Nick here, back with your daily crypto news and analysis. And today we are going to be talking about Hedera, aka Hbar. So sit back, relax, and before we fully jump on into this video, I do just want to ask guys to please leave a like on this video. It does help the channel grow immensely, and of course I always do greatly appreciate that. And if you do find any of the information in this video valuable, useful, or interesting in any sort of way possible, definitely hit that subscribe button and turn notifications on to never miss a future update. So overall, if you guys have not watched my XRP video from earlier, I definitely advise you guys to. I was talking more so about a market crash that is going to be happening if we do see, of course, the major indices react to the things that are happening with, the Russia stuff. But we also see some major things happening around the Fed with inflation rates, stuff like that. Honestly, guys, there's a lot of concerning factors right now that I think that we should all, make sure that we are paying attention to, as well as making sure that we are positioning ourselves for whatever happens next. Right now, there's a lot of things, ranging on this market in terms of bullishness or bearishness. Yes, I am still watching Hedera. I have not forgotten about it. We are still around the range that I've told you guys to watch for. 18 cents is my next target on Hbar, honestly. And I know for a lot of people that's probably concerning. If we're talking about these major lows going back to the 24th of January, it's around 19 cents. That's exactly what I am watching for us to hold. Technically, we do not need to go that low, but of course, I am preparing for it because we do know that Bitcoin dominance is around 43%. Trading volume on a lot of altcoins are continuing to diminish a little bit. And while Bitcoin dominance continues to gain some traction, it is getting very, very sketchy because I'm still awaiting that Bitcoin drop. And yeah, I know that we are down a little bit on Bitcoin, but I'm still awaiting 40.7K at least to be tested on Bitcoin, which I have been telling you guys about for about 2 weeks now. I have been well positioned, to really kind of take a hold of this major drop event if we do see those lows. And I told you guys about this forever now. I've been warning you guys, and I hope that a lot of you have been paying attention. Now, of course, yes, I'm going to reiterate a little bit on what I said in the XRP video for those who do not want to go check it out. Just watch the US indices closely, guys. These major three, the S&P 500, the NASDAQ, and of course the Dow Jones are the three major ones to watch for. You can really kind of see them listed here on the major world indices. We were down about 503 points on the Dow Jones and almost 400 points on the NASDAQ. The S&P 500 almost 100. This is concerning because we could be seeing some psychological effects, ranging on with, of course, the stocks, which will bleed into crypto. Today, the market does open at around 9:30 a.m. It is currently about 2 a.m., so we have some time until then. So just prepare for whatever is going to happen today. Do not get shaken out. Do not get too concerned in terms of your portfolio being down or up. Just be patient. Do not let your emotions get a hold of you. Yes, I will be buying the dip on some altcoins if I do see them move down low enough. Hbar definitely will be my number one that I kind of watch for, hitting those 19 centile targets. And of course, like Casper and stuff, I will be watching closely. Now, I do want to talk to you guys about some exciting things that are also happening within the Hedera ecosystem, though. And this is not for me to tell you guys, hey, you should be bullish on Hedera still. I'm just saying these are very bullish updates that we are seeing that are going to be announced very, very soon. So first off, we do see game-changing DeFi platform is coming to Hedera soon. This is talking more so about Actio. I've told you guys about Actio multiple times. Very incredible use case. With SEPA transfers in our app, you could send euros to bank accounts in 36 countries for free. Add and also manage beneficiaries and send money easily in just a few taps on your phone. This is actually very significant, and honestly, I want you to all pay attention to Actio. I know that they're a smaller use case. They're not that huge of, a company, if you will. They're still kind of newish. They launched in March of 2018, but overall, they have been continuously building and building and building, and honestly, I think that this is probably one of the most incredible DeFi use cases within the Hedera ecosystem. And of course, we do see an incredible project, or product, I should say, roadmap that is going to be very interesting. So let's actually kind of look into this and let's watch this unfold. So first off, Q1 2022, crypto app finally getting started with crypto is as easy as choosing a TV show. Main features: Wealth Hub, 130 plus cryptocurrencies available. Market sentiment, and then of course active income. Act like a boss, stop saving, start earning. Main features: vaults, recurring transfers, earn up to 8% APY on euros. This is going to be very, very exciting to say the least, and I love staking opportunities, so I definitely will say that this is going to be very interesting to say the least. And of course, we do see here, Actio public listing, Knight's Gambit, main features: Wealth Hub V3, staking and referral, deposit and withdrawal crypto. We also see Q2 2022, Ultimate Money growing app, no learning curve, just a growing curve. Main feature: access to traditional markets. Q2 2022, Wealth Bot and Savings Boost, your money with a Nitro boost on, of course, the autopilot. Main feature: Crypto Bot. And of course, financial mobility app, Q3 2022. Welcome to the world of financial mobility. Grow and spend your money like never before. Main features: card and payment features, instant SEPA, Swift transfers, send money to a friend, direct debit from any bank account in Europe as well. I'm very excited for these cards to come out. Guys, I'm very excited for Actio. And of course, Act Lifestyle. It's not just a new app, it's the whole new lifestyle. It's the freedom to act. Main features: split bill and round up, crypto and assets tax declaration, membership lifestyle benefits as well. There's also so much more coming to the Actio, ecosystem. They're continuously building out, incredible things. They do at some point in time plan on having a physical, it's almost like a streaming box in your house. I mean, we can go check it out real quick. I talked to you guys about it a little bit. A lot of this stuff is very significant, to say the least. I definitely do think that Actio is one to really continue to look at. Also, I see that they updated their website. Their website was not like this the last time that I checked it out, so I think that this is very interesting. But definitely check out. I love how Hedera is the main spotlight here. Awesome to say the least. But I really want you all to pay attention to some of these small use cases, because I know that they seem like they're small, but they're really not. A lot of these are huge. But I don't know where it was. I know that I've seen it before. They might have moved it, and honestly, the website changed since the last time here, but maybe it will. I want to say maybe it was on this slide. Don't know, but they had like a physical sort of thing that you could have in your house. I thought it was very interesting. I might be thinking honestly of a different use case in general, but pay attention to these smaller use cases. Also, even Dovu, right? Pay attention to Dovu. Yesterday, we published our first blog in a series dedicated to delivering or delving deeper into the Dovu vision. And of course, this is talking about total or token engineering vision, new carbon supply. This is talking about, almost everything within tokenization of debt, carbon emissions, carbon credits. Guys, this is extremely bullish. This is all regarding, carbon markets, carbon calculators, staking opportunities as well. I mean, this is so incredible. And of course, we do see carbon market cap, a real-time view of Ethereum-powered carbon usage. This section focuses on the process of updating debt and token balance while slowly venting them. Offset mining, this is the process in which carbon debt is tokenized and paid down in a distributed fashion. Community members can pay off their own debt as well as other projects that they support in return for rewards. Carbon market, this is where we are now. The next step is the Guardian integration, where we'll use Hedera tools to form our audit trail. I love the fact that they're going to be utilizing Hedera. This is also one of those main use cases that are on Hedera. We do see carbon calculator as well, Dovu governance, carbon standard. I mean, this is so incredible. Guys, pay attention to Dovu. I actually have not checked them out in a while. I don't even think that I have checked my portfolio in a while, honestly. But, this is still around 2 cents. Yeah, we can drop a little bit more, but overall, at a $22.7 million market cap, Dovu is extremely undervalued. Also, Metaverse, building the mall of the Metaverse. This is coming in 2022. I am very excited for Metaverse-based real estate and things like this. We know that this is coming in 2022, an experience that's literally in another dimension, attracting shoppers with spending power from all walks of life around the globe. Guys, This is very incredible. Also, you guys could reserve a space if you want. You can put your full name and all that kind of stuff in here. Guys, pay attention to the Metaverse. They're an incredible overall company, incredible use case as well, built on, or I should say, integrated with Hedera. I've talked to you guys about it before. Pay attention to some of these major use cases because they are going to be really disrupting major markets. Like, for example, I've talked to you guys about this one in terms of healthcare, the car companies as well in terms of their building of the metaverse based, cars and stuff like that. Like, a lot of this goes hand in hand with everything that we've been talking about on a day-to-day basis in terms of NFTs and even the metaverse. Also, we do know that today is the date that Mingo Apps announces and officially launches the Tyson Fury NFT collection. I am very excited for this as well. You guys know that I'm a long-term supporter of Mingo Apps. They have been building out some very strong things, and I'm very excited for a lot of their launches, especially, this working with Hedera. As you guys do know, this is powered essentially by Hedera. I'm just very, very excited, to say the least, for a lot of the stuff that's being, announced on, Hedera, for example. This is so big. I think that this is a solid NFT project. I want you to all pay attention to a lot of this stuff. I think that this is very exciting. I think that it's very interesting. And of course, we do know that Tyson Fury himself is a massive influencer within a lot of these major markets, 2 million followers. So I'm very excited to see where this goes and what really happens with this. I think it's going to provide a lot of eyes on Hedera and of course on the NFT scene. And of course, last but not least, I do want to wrap this up with Sikhi. So we do see Sikhi is the next generation of music and NFTs. Pre-launch event powered by Sikhi with Lil Baby and also One Gunna, at the NBA All-Star Weekend. Thanks to everyone who has been patient. We are just getting started. I told you guys to pay attention to Sikhi because they are building out some very, very strong things. I think that Sikhi is probably another one of my major... I would say this is probably one of my major companies that I have eyes on within, of course, the Hedera scene, because this is one that I told you guys about a little bit ago. It was probably about, I want to say like 2 weeks ago now. But I think that this could be similar to, like I said, Spotify, except, this is a music streaming platform that is going to be working within the NFT scene and things like that. I just think that Sikhi is very interesting, and I actually think that Sikhi... I want to say that Sikhi is actually the project that I was talking about in terms of a physical product. So yes, the Sikhi device. This is the physical product that I was actually talking about in regards to Actio. I do apologize for confusing them, but I do think that this is going to be such an incredible use case as well. And it's not just based around music either, guys. Initially it will be, but we are going to be seeing an NFT gallery, video streaming also, and we do see gaming and live events and stuff like that. Guys, pay attention to these major companies and use cases built on Hedera, because all of these provide value to the Hedera ecosystem. And these are some large names. I mean, these are like 6.2 million followed, 2.2 million followed artists. So guys, pay attention to what these projects are building on Hedera, and we're going to see a lot more of this coming to fruition as well. I will be talking more so about that in tomorrow's video, but with all of that in mind, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, definitely leave a like, subscribe, to notifications on if you guys want more free content. You guys are more than welcome to follow me on Twitter and join the free Discord down in the description below. As always, I hope that you all have a beautiful day or a beautiful night wherever you guys are in this beautiful world. This has been Nick. Peace out, guys.